Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 13 of our Bitsgap follow along, so we're just going to jump right in. Okay, so we've got 10 bots currently running. I have this separated and sorted out by average daily trading, so that's exactly where we're going to begin. Our top performer right now is this Ethereum 3S, which is a leverage token. It's 3 short, and obviously with the market conditions, this has done very well. In 6 days and 4 hours, it's averaged 2% a day for 6 days. So that's very decent when you think about a 2% return a day. We started this with 50 bucks, so we're doing very, very well in terms of getting 2% a day. That's exactly where we want to be as a goal. You can see the chart. We brought in down here and we followed it all the way up. We dipped because of our trailing stop and we've come back up and followed it exactly how we should. This is doing exactly what a grid bot should. Next, we've got our best performer. Our next best performer is a BTC3S, which obviously, again, with the current conditions, things have been rough on the Bitcoin side, and I think they're going to go lower personally. But you can see here, either way, this has done a very good job. We followed it all the way up, down, and then you can see here we had a little bit of a pump and we came right back down. Very good. Overall, we have done $3 in profit here, which is equivalent to 6%. Again, in 7 days, 6% is nothing to complain about. We started this with $50. We're doing tiny amounts just so that anybody can see that anybody can do this and actually make some money. Obviously, the risk-reward factor and starting with more funds is going to be helpful. But hey, I mean, you have to start somewhere, and starting small is still starting. So. You can see here that we are at 0.99% over 7 days, and the chart looks great. Next, we've got our Ethereum 3L. So obviously, with the 3S being so great, the 3L is down. We have still made $6 in profit. However, the overall price of this is down. So when you go to your analytics here, we can see out of our current funds, we're actually down. The current funds is down 27%. Out of our initial funds, we're only down 11%. So we're down 12 bucks right now on our investment. However, as this goes up, we will continue to make money on the 3 long. So we're going to leave it running. This is a 30-day test. UPI USD, this is on Coinbase. And this is actually done 0.67% over 11 days. So this is one of the first ones that we started. Currently, it's out of funds, and that is because we have some other trades going on that are taking out of this USD money pot. And so this is currently out of funds with where it's at. So overall, we're going to let this sit. There will be money that comes in when other trades close, and it can pick up where it left off. But overall, we've made $8 so far, which is 7.4%. It's just under just over 0.5% a day. Our BTC 3L has only made $3. It's just at just over 0.5% a day. It's done 153 transactions. So overall, the BTC 3L and 3S tokens on the KuCoin side are doing very well. We've got Floki and Yushi. These are both on Gate.io. Both of them have been pretty terrible underperformers in terms of just the overall projects themselves and their growth. But I do believe in them long term, so that's why we're running these. And I hold bags of this outside of here. So we started these with 40, 50 bucks, again, just for this experiment. But I hold decent sized bags of these outside of that. And so long term, I am okay with this. It's just really dragging out. And so you can see here, Floki is continuing on a downtrend, but we're following it just the way that the grid should. So very good there. Yushi has taken, we're down 20%, actually, a 20% change on that. So this has only made $1. So these are, you can see, not great in terms of performance, but you can see the bot is doing what it needs to do in trading on the way down. We've got our Shiba USDT, again, this has made $10 overall, but this is, 0.17% a day. I'm just running this just because I want to be able to do this experiment, and I have this money sitting there, so I might as well trade. But you can see here, we started down here. Again, it's doing exactly what it should on the chart and with the way that the grids are set up. So very good there. Elon has taken a hit actually here and down 19.79% right now in the current change from where we started, and this has only made $2 in profit. So this actually is not doing that great. Again, it's been running for 10 days, so we're going to leave that. And then we have our worst performer. Our worst performer is only at 0.04%, and that is CRO. Now, the change on that is down 12%. We'll look at the chart here. We're running smaller grids, so we're only running 25 level grids here. So these are decent size over here. This is a 5% step, so it's 5% between here and there. So that does play a role in this. I mean, we have $300 in there, so it's not as small as these over here. But CRO did just upgrade their token. They moved over to the Chronos blockchain, their own internal blockchain. So we'll see what that does for the price action and what it can do. Obviously, the entire market is down with sentiment being very bearish. I do believe that we're going to see lower lows on Bitcoin as well, and I'm waiting for it. Outside of Bitsgap, just thinking about our Bitcoin trading, this is going to be a time where you leave some funds outside of bots, outside of your trades, to be able to bring what people call, some people like to say, fresh powder, and reload and buy in at a lower low. So you're going to want to wait and watch the charts. Again, we started this experiment with this Bitsgap follow along to run it for 30 days, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Overall, this is not terrible considering the market conditions. The bot profit's $46. Most of these bots started with $50, so very, very good there. If you have any questions about Bitsgap, leave those in the comments below. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. If not, thank you for all the time that you have invested in this follow along. I hope that you're finding it helpful. I hope that you are taking action. There is a link, an affiliate link below to a free trial. There's a link below to see the bots that I have running at any given time and see their performance. There's links to our website, and I just hope that you will take action and follow along with me as we learn together. But that's going to be it for this video. Again, thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.